Hey guys, we get a lot of questions and emails about upgrades that we've done to Nelli, and today we're gonna bring you our updated list of 8 RV upgrades that have drastically changed how we RV.
Hey guys, it's Izzy and MJ from Endless RVing, the channel that brings you the best in RV DIYs, product reviews, RV tours, and so much more.
If you're new to the channel, we invite you to subscribe below, hit the notification bell. If you're back for another video, we thank you for joining us. So with these 8 upgrades, we have ones that we've had for a while, all the way up to our most recent one, which was just about a week or 2 ago. We love all of them, we really do, but we've actually ranked them from 1 to 8 in the order of how much we love them. So number 1 is our TRUMA. We talk about this all the time. The TRUMA was the best thing that we ever did to Nelli. It provides endless hot water. Obviously, you know, if you're hooked up to a water source, you never have to worry about losing water, losing that hot water. It's just a beautiful, beautiful upgrade. Also, we have never had any issues with this, all right? So besides it providing the endless hot water, it's just been hassle-free. So definitely by far, number 1, the TRUMA tankless water heater.
So number 2 is going to be our suspension upgrades. Now, it's not going to be just one upgrade, it's actually a combination of upgrades. Our latest one, we did a video a couple of weeks ago, we will link it above. So let's get into it. Sumo springs, front and rear, awesome. We've also done the super steer radius rods up front. Those have worked out well. We have done the super steer rear track bar, Roadmaster front anti-sway bar, as well as the Safety Plus steering stabilizer. Some things we're definitely doing in the future. Actually, Santa, I believe, told me he's bringing me Coney shocks front and rear. So that you may see in the new season. And finally, a rear anti-sway bar. So when we picked up this motorhome from RV1 in Albany, New York, I gotta tell you, I was a little concerned because it was scary. Since then, I can't put one on the other, which one works the best or not, but a combination of all these suspension upgrades has made a dramatic difference in how Nelli drives. I can drive down the road, MJ can drive down the road literally like this. Trucks pass by, it's huge. So think about it. It's not cheap, but if you have the funds, it's definitely going to make your driving a lot more pleasurable, allow you to drive a lot longer. Number 3 is going to be our internet. We've done numerous videos on this. We will link the latest one up above. We need internet, plain and simple. We are connected all the time. MJ needs it for her business. I need it for work. We need it for our YouTube channel. It's simple. The way we have it set up, it works, it's effective. Number 3 is going to be internet.
Number 4 is going to be our Fire Stick. We all love this. Look, there are many choices out there, but we are able to get so many options with the Fire Stick. We get Netflix and Sling and Hulu and IPTV and you name it. There's just not enough hours in the day to watch everything that we possibly can. As long as we have a good internet connection, it's golden. So, you know, you can get satellite and things like that, but again, weather can interrupt that. With this, good connection, and we're good to go.
Number 5 is going to be the FAN-TASTIC fan vent covers. Now, if you're not familiar with this, essentially it's a plastic cover that goes over your FAN-TASTIC fan. Now, the FAN-TASTIC fans have built-in rain sensors, and of course they're open, so when it rains, they're going to close so everything doesn't get wet inside. When you put a FAN-TASTIC fan or a Max Air fan, a vent cover, it doesn't matter what brand you have. What it allows you to do is use those exhaust fans when it's raining out. So a perfect example, with the TRUMA hot water heater, we can take endless hot showers. That creates steam. If it's raining out, well, the steam is just gonna build up unless we vent it out. With the cover, open it up, vents everything out. It's great. When you're cooking, whatever it is, spend a couple bucks, get that vent cover. Number 6 is going to be a TPMS. There's many different brands out there. We used to use TST. TIREMINDER reached out to us. We now use TIREMINDER. They both work great. Whichever one you get, just make sure it's a reputable brand and that it works. Either way, TPMS is a big safety issue and everybody with an RV should have a TPMS. And if you're looking to get a TIREMINDER and you want a great deal, we will link our discount code below.
Number 7 in our top ranked favorite upgrades is the Ring doorbell. I love the Ring doorbell. We did a video on that. We're gonna link that up above. It gives me a little extra sense of security, a little comfort, knowing what's going on out here. If I'm on the RV alone, I like it. Yes, it's not gonna protect me per se, but it does give me that extra sense of like comfort. Like I said, seeing what's going on. It has a great, I love the sound of the Ring. And for those of you that have asked, because people have and said, how has it managed staying on there? We have yet to lose it. Driving down the road, it's staying on there. So guys, definitely think about investing in a Ring doorbell. And our last, not that we don't love it, we love all of these, but the last one, number 8, is our freezer. So we bought a basement freezer. As we have mentioned before, we did a video on that as well. We'll link that above. Our dogs eat a raw food diet, so we can't fit all their food. We got 120 pounds of dog there, and that would take up our entire freezer. So we came up with this idea, let's get a freezer and we'll install it in the basement. Now, Izzy did an amazing job. We got a Moride slide tray and bought this AUSRANVIK freezer on Amazon. It's beautiful. It fits all their food with plenty of room to spare. It fits a lot more than it looks like it would. The temperature range is amazing. You can use it as a fridge as well. Definitely one of the best things that we've done. It's just made life so much easier. So check it out, AUSRANVIK freezer. We've done a lot of things to Nelli, but these are our top 8 that we really love. In the comments below, tell us some of the things that you've done to your RV. Maybe give us some more ideas and we can do some more stuff.
And for myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.